Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, guess what, everybody? I found another Septa Express train, which is on the Silverliner 5s! And for this one, what I'm about to see is Septa Regional Rail Line number 6533 as the Center City Express going to Philadelphia 30th Street Station via Express after Glenside Park and Ride Station to Temple University, just like the same thing that I filmed in one of my previous videos. So right now, 6533 is coming through right now.
Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the tracks. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the tracks. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the tracks. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the tracks. Warning, a train is approaching the crossing.
820, 819, 710, 824, and 823.
The train is approaching the crossing. Please do not cross the tracks.
Woo-wee! Very nice.